Hello, today we're gonna be unboxing another iPhone lot, and this time it's an iPhone 5 and 4 lot. There are 9 devices in this box. Yeah, it's pretty dense, it's pretty heavy, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, here we have the devices. Okay, here are the iPhone 4s. It seems okay. It's pretty dirty though. Another iPhone 4 black, also not cracked anywhere. This one's clean. And the last iPhone 4 also looks clean. And now the 5s. We have 2 black ones. Oh, this home button feels bad. From the back this one's pretty clean, this one's dirty, but they look undamaged. We have another black one. Ooh, this one's very sticky, very dirty, disgusting. And a space gray looks good. That's only the screen protector that's disgusting. And the last 2 are whites, and oh wow, this one. Wow, this housing looks almost perfect. This one's really good. And this one's also pretty good. None of them are cracked, so that's good. And we have one turning on. Oh, this one's falling apart. The back glass has been put on wrong. Okay, and this one is fully working. Seems good. It's running iOS 10.2, and it's a 16 gigabyte version. I don't know if it's iCloud locked, I can't see it. But yeah, this one turned on immediately, and none of these other ones turned on. I had enough time to clean these phones and test them. So let's start first by, I'll show you this. These are just parts that I found that I don't know where they go. So this is a battery with the connector ripped off and some screws and a display clip that's been ripped off. And here are the 4 phones that are not working. It's 2 black 5s and 2 4s. 1 4 and 1 5 aren't showing any signs of life, and 1 5 1 4 are boot looping, so I'm gonna try them with a different battery. And these are the 5 phones that are working. As you can see, these 4 phones are working. These 2 I was able to get open. This one I think has an iCloud account, and these 2 5s are with a password, so I'm gonna try and restore them. And this 4 is working fine, but the home button is not working. Well, I'll update you after I try and restore these 2.